So do you use the Google Wi-Fi Nest mesh system and you're tired of dealing with the poor connection, the slow speeds? Because I used to use the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pod Pros, nothing but frustration. So I'm gonna show you what I did to help improve that situation and eliminate my wireless problems. So if you're like me, a happy wife is a happy life. And when the wireless isn't working and she can't stream the videos she wants to stream, she can't watch the movies, she can't watch the shows, she's constantly having to take her phone off of wireless and use cellular connection so she can do what she wants to do, it gets frustrating. And it frustrates me because I have the same issues myself. So what's really frustrating about this product is it's actually a Wi-Fi 6E capable device. But in my experience, it very seldom actually stayed connected to Wi-Fi 6E. Most of the time it would drop down, sometimes even to the 2.4 gigahertz, and it'd be on the Wi-Fi 5 protocol, and speeds was atrocious. As you can see by this right here, this is a speed test I took prior to the swap. And that's just unacceptable, especially for a device like this that's supposed to eliminate that kind of problem. And keep in mind, in my office here, which is my bonus room, it's on the second floor. It's probably 40 feet from the main pod downstairs, and it goes through a couple of walls, and that's it. Shouldn't have that much of a degradation. I do have a gigabit speed in the house. Now, yes, I know I'm not going to get gigabit wireless speed, but I shouldn't be getting that either. And it just makes things really frustrating because things would go offline, TV would stop streaming, phones would buffer, and that's annoying. So I really, in good conscience, can't recommend this system. And I would really love to know, if you have one, what your experience has been. If you could add some comments below and just let me know. I'd be curious to see if you've been having some of the same problems. Let me show you what I did to eliminate that. So I bought this system here, and I'm getting these speeds here now. And that's much better. And it's more along the lines of what I would expect the Google Nest to be producing, considering they're both Wi-Fi 6E. Now, I did a lot of research prior to purchasing what I purchased, and I'm going to tell you about that here in a second. You're probably wondering, why didn't you go Wi-Fi 7? Because Wi-Fi 7's out. Well, yes it is, but the Wi-Fi 7 protocol hasn't even been standardized yet. And I think the first quarter of next year, they're going to have that standard. That being said, the cost of the Wi-Fi 7 right now is astronomically high. And Wi-Fi 6E can give me really all I need. Considering I have a gigabit speed, I can get close to that on Wi-Fi 6E. So I just didn't feel like spending an extra $500 or $600 to go Wi-Fi 7 was worth the investment right now. Once I get that next year standardized and more products start to come out, the prices are going to go down and you'll have a lot more options. I'll probably end up, switching at that point. This Asus system was pretty highly rated and it had really good speed tests. So once I got it set up and running, I pretty much experienced the same improvement. I don't have the buffering anymore. I don't have the dead spots in the house. I don't have any of the issues I was having with the Nest system. So again, happy wife, happy life. Make sure everything works and then you don't have to worry about it. But it's really frustrating, again, that Google can't get this right. The Google ecosystem is pretty good. I mean, I'm very invested in it. And I have not had any real issues with any of the products. But every once in a while, you get something like this that comes along that's just not really on par with other products in the same class. I don't know why it is. I don't know what the situation is. But I can tell you, I reset these, I changed settings, I moved the pods around, and nothing I did made any improvement. It was always the same. So that led me to the fact that it's just a poor device. And I can tell you, I will never buy another Google pod of any sort because I spent way too much time, too much money on a product that just doesn't work. So I can definitely highly recommend this Asus device here. It's the Asus ZenWiFi Pro ET12, and I bought the 2-pack, so I have my primary downstairs, and yes, I have the other access point up here in the bonus room. I'm able to get 500-600 megs here in the bonus room without problem. Again, this is the speed test I pulled after I swapped them out. That's pretty good. So let me know in the comments section below if you have any questions or comments. If you are using the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro pod system, I'd sure love to know what your experience has been like, what your speeds are like, and have you had any connectivity problems? And you'll definitely want to check this video out here for my installation of the Asus ZenWiFi.